Okay, this is a Ford Maverick key fob, and I'm going to attempt to disable the panic button. Let's see how it goes. So first thing we do is we remove the manual key, and I'm going to pop the back cover off. Like that. There's the battery. I see some tabs in here. Let's see if I can get a screwdriver down in there that look like they would pull this off. Yes, there we go. Okay, so that came off pretty easily. And let's see here. This goes like this. Oh, there's a hidden button down here, and then here's the red panic button is this guy. And these look like these little rubber down in here. It's like it doesn't open up easily. I was hoping I could just put a piece of tape over it or something, but looks like it has an actual tactile button. It does. Look at that. The switch just comes right out. I think that's fine. I'm going to put a piece of tape over this to keep dirt out. This is capped on tape. All done. Done. I just heard the car unlock. Lock. Haha. Panic button does nothing. Success.